watching the award-winning GHS-TV, a nationally recognized student television station.
Welcome, parents. I am Dr. Stencil, principal at Germantown High School. I want to welcome you to Open House. Tonight, we do not run a bell schedule. It is a true open house. Help yourself. Visit all the teachers that you need. And if you need anything from me, please stop me, ask questions, stop by M office. I'm here for you. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Gore, and I oversee guidance. This is my 14th year at Germantown High, and I'm excited to be at the best school in Memphis. To that end, I want to encourage all our students to take advantage of the many clubs, athletics, and academic opportunities GHS has to offer. My email address is on the screen. If there's anything I can do to help, don't hesitate to reach out.
Hello, and welcome to the 2024-25 school year. I'm one of the assistant principals, Ms. Fain. I'm the 12th grade administrator and testing coordinator. To receive a high school diploma, all students enrolled in a Tennessee public school during their 11th grade year must take the ACT. The ACT will be given to seniors here at GHS on Wednesday, October 16th, 2024. On that day, all students will take some form of the ACT. A United States Citizenship and Immigration Services civics test is required to be taken and passed to meet the social studies course requirements in order to earn a regular diploma upon high school graduation. This civics test will be given in your History of America's course or your U.S. government class. Your behavior and discipline directly affect your senior year experience. Remember to dress appropriately, follow the school rules, and be respectful. Have a great year.
Hello, my name is Tarn Hardy, and I'm the 11th grade assistant principal here at Germantown High School. This is my second year at Germantown and my 15th year as an administrator in MSCS. This year, I'll be the admin over attendance, English language arts, and also assisting with 504 compliance with Ms. Purtle. I want to implore all students and families to arrive at school on time every day. First period begins at 7:15, and you will be considered late anytime afterwards. There are incentives in place for students that attend school and who go to all of their classes daily. I'm excited about what this year will bring for the students, faculty, and families of Germantown High School. If you need me, I am located in the C Building main office. Let's go Red Devils!
Good afternoon, Germantown students and parents, and welcome to another awesome year here at the school. I am Ms. Purtle, one of your assistant principals. This year, I will be assisting with the special education department, advanced placement, as well as pre-AP. My office is located in the M building should you need me. Let's have an amazing year.
My name is Assistant Principal Damian Longino. I am the discipline coordinator here, as well as I'll be dealing with 9th and 10th grade instructional practices. I'm over athletics, and I am in charge of all the transportation here at Germantown High School. Welcome back for a great school year.
Good evening, freshman parents. My name is Rose Clemenson. I'm the 9th grade professional counselor. My office is in V Building. I'm happy with your choice of Germantown High School for your child's education. Germantown is built on many legacies, but not any as great as the students who make up our school. Please enjoy your evening and have a good tour of our school. Thank you.
Greetings, welcome back, and cheers to an amazing school year ahead of us. My name is Mrs. Cunningham, and I will be the 10th grade counselor here at Germantown High School. You can reach me by email or phone, and that information will be provided below. Enjoy your visit, and I look forward to working with you and your students. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Germantown High School and a new school year. My name is Ms. Lee, and I am the 11th grade counselor. My contact information is listed below, and the quickest way to reach me is through email. Enjoy your visit tonight, and I look forward to working with you and your junior students. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rashandra Brookins-Kirk. I am so excited about this school year. I am even more excited about being the counselor for the senior class of 2025 here at Germantown High School. This is my first year here at GHS and my 8th year working as a school counselor from Missouri, Florida, and now here back in Tennessee, where I'm from. I handle all things 12th grade with the emphasis of moving students from senior 2025 status to graduate 2025 status. Please feel free to email me at any time. Thank you so much and enjoy your visit tonight.
Good evening. I am Dr. Wendy Willingham, College and Career Counselor for Germantown High School. I am beginning my 23rd year in Shelby County Schools and am so excited to work with you as you make post-secondary plans. Whether your plans include college, vocational training, joining the armed forces, or going to work, I am here to help you get there.
Good evening and welcome to Germantown High. My name is Martha Morris, and I'm fortunate to be the International Baccalaureate Counselor serving all IB students in grades 9 through 12. The IB program is one of 2 optional programs here at Germantown. If you are a freshman or a sophomore with great grades, attendance, and test scores, Ms. Tucker and I would love to speak to you about joining us in IB. You may contact us through our emails or give us a call. To all of our students, have a wonderful school year.
Good morning, Germantown family. I'm Ms. Harris, the current PTSO president for Germantown High School. We're looking for new students, parents, and faculty and staff. Pretty much all of the faculty and staff has already signed up, but we're looking for students and parents right now. We're still having sign-ups until September the 30th. So you guys are able to stop by MA 126 to sign up for PTSO. We will also be at the open house. You'll be able to sign up. We have 2 memberships. We have a regular membership and a VIP membership. It's $45. And the regular membership is $15, I'm sorry. You can follow us on Facebook. Also, just stop by to get the rest of the information for GroupMe so you can join the group and you can get more information about everything. Thank you.
Good afternoon, students and parents. I'm Dr. Camille Collins, and I am Germantown High School Student Government Association sponsor. I am so excited for this year. SGA has so many events planned, beginning with the week of September the 23rd for the 2024 Homecoming Week. We have Spirit Days lined up for each day, including the all-time favorite Pajama Day and my personal favorite Teacher-Student Swap Day. Be on the lookout for QR codes to run for Homecoming Princess and Homecoming Queen. For our seniors, fees for the Senior Activities Package are due September 21st, and we have a jam-packed year for you guys, beginning with the Senior Tailgate on October the 25th and Celebrity Night on December 14th, where Mr. and Miss Germantown will be revealed. As I stand proud to be one of the last of the Red Devils, I am so thrilled to share in the excitement with our incoming 9th grade class as we plan the great migration to our new school.
Hi, I'm Allison Long. I am the coordinator of our Creative and Performing Arts program. If you are a part of our program, or if you would like to be, you can come find me in upstairs C building. You are always welcome to contact me at the information found on your screen. Hope you have a great year.
For more information about the Kappa program, visit ghskappa.com or call 755-7775.